Welcome to the latest episode of Mazda Discovers, where we uncover remarkable craftsmanship from around the globe. We're journeying through Prague, a city with a rich tapestry of history. Today we meet Oliver Braun, a visionary artisan in plasterwork. Oliver doesn't merely restore buildings, he breathes new life into them, preserving not just bricks and mortar, but the very soul of Prague's history and culture through his focus on sustainable restoration.
Je to velice důležité. Ve štukatérství by se dalo říct, že obecně v restaurování je to ten hlavní důvod, proč se věc nezbourá a nepostaví nová. Když máte historickou budovu, tak je důležitý zachovat tu její hodnotu v té historii.
As we admire Oliver Braun's unwavering dedication to craftsmanship, we're reminded of Mazda's kindred spirit, as Oliver enriches Prague's historic landscapes with his nuanced stories in plaster. So too does Mazda infuse every drive with unparalleled craftsmanship,